Hello guys and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome once again. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you, tips on how to score above 300 in JAMB 2025. And I'll be sharing a formula. This life is all about applying a formula that works and that can help you. Okay, and my formula for today that I'm going to be sharing with you is what VIP raised to power what 4. Do you see that? VIP, you're a very important person, and raised to the power of 4. But that's not the full meaning. We're going to be taking each of these letters one by one. Okay, now the first one is vision. Okay, before we go further, please make sure you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Please share this video, support us to grow. I beg you, share and subscribe to YouTube channel. Okay, because we are going to be uploading several videos till your exam day to help you achieve your desired score of 300 plus in your JAMB exam. Okay, if you're interested in our study group, our Facebook study group, I will leave that link in the video description box of this video. Okay, so now let's get on to the first V. V is what? Vision. All right, you have to vision the score you want. You have to see it and believe it. Okay, vision 300 and above. All right, vision 300 plus. I will run online classes, and almost twice in a month, 2 times weekly, I always meet them for seminars to motivate them. And the first question I ask them is, what is your vision? What is your score that you're looking forward to? And they start writing it, and I say, write it down with faith. And one thing you have to do also, write it on your close to your bedroom, in your book, that major book that you always open to study. Write it that this is the score I want. Okay, now what is I is what? Internalization. Okay, I is internalization, telling yourself, talking to yourself, I am destined. You can see it here. You are destined to win. Even if anyone has looked down on you in your secondary school, whoever around you has been saying all sorts, you are dull, you are whatever, speak to yourself, I am destined to win. Internalize it that I can get 300 and above. I want you right now to drop in the comment section that I am destined to win. You are destined, even if it's looking as if it's not. Keep on saying it to yourself. That's it. You have to internalize. Keep on saying it. You see, let me tell you something about our minds. Whether you think you are not thinking about something, you are always thinking about something per second. That's what we call auto-suggestion. That's why some people in the background of their mind, they say, I cannot make it. I cannot make it. And that's what will happen in your life. So every day, open your mouth and speak. When those negative thoughts is coming, speak. I am destined to win. A closed mouth is a closed destiny. And when you are used to, you wake up in the morning, I am destined to win. Before you know, instead of that negative thought, it will be I am destined to win that you'll be giving yourself, auto-suggesting, even your subconscious mind to yourself. So please, internalize it. I am destined to win. You have to believe it. Keep on speaking it until it happens. Okay? And what is our first P? Our first P is what? Planning. It is not all about speaking. You have to plan. Okay, you have to plan. There's timetable. You have to draft out your own personal study timetable. And let me tell you something, on the Facebook group, I have dropped your timetable. I have drafted a timetable, 30 days challenge timetable. And on the 1st of November, we're going to start it on the group. That's my own free resource to all students. Okay, on the group, you'll be reminded on the topics you are to read. Everyone, science, art, commercial, everybody. You'll be reminded on the topic you have to read for your particular subject. You'll be given questions from the DTW JAMB CBT app, okay? And, several things, all right? And this timetable is based on your JAMB syllabus. So please, I have given you timetable. You can get that, then tweak it to your own taste. So there's timetable, there's also syllabus, all right? I will drop all those. All is on the Facebook group. So do join the group. Then your recommended textbooks. And we're also going to drop that there. Your recommended textbook. Get your JAMB recommended textbooks. I will leave a link also to that to show you for all the courses. And for your planning also, you need to get the DTW JAMB CBT app. Very, very important. Let me tell you, your exams are CBT based now. So you need a software that works like a CBT. And DTW JAMB CBT app is loaded. It works offline without the internet. All you need to do is activate it. 4,000 naira to activate. It is for a year activation, because everyone says, is it monthly? No. When you activate it, it will not expire till next year. This is 2024. Till next year, this time, it will not expire. Okay, it expires after 1 year. All right. So get the DTW JAMB CBT app to practice. Okay. What is our second P? Our second P is what? Preparation. Preparation is your reading. You have the timetable, start. You have your plan, start reading. That is it. Preparation. Read. Okay, you have problems with some particular subject, you can watch our videos, DTW free videos on YouTube. If you're having so much problem, you can join our online classes. It is 7,000 naira monthly. Okay, it's online on Google Meet. If you need more details, my phone number, you can contact us on WhatsApp. It's in the video description box of this video. You can join our classes. We're starting 1st of November. That's preparation. That's if you know you've left school for a while, or there are some particular subjects you are weak in. Please join online classes. Don't sit down and wait. Join the DTW online classes. We have several track record. This year 2024, over 6 of our students scored 300 and above. Okay, now what is the next thing? Is what? Practice. And I tell you, this is a testimony of I interviewed who is it? Is it Michael or so, who scored 351. He used the DTW JAMB CBT app. You see the video. I will leave the link to that video. That's what he used to practice. DTW JAMB CBT app. You need to practice. Even you see Enobong in our own online classes. TTW JAMB CBT app, and there's a wonderful feature called the question search. Okay, question search. What this does is, you read a topic, you go to the feature of there, click search is question search, click on that particular subject, type the topic out, and it will bring out questions all the way from the database from 1990 till date, and you will solve questions on that particular topic to understand it better. You can download the DTW JAMB CBT app freely. Okay, download it on Google Play Store to just browse around it. Okay, before then you activate. Okay, so that's what practice will do for you. And now the final thing you need is what? Prayers. And I am here for you. Okay, whether you join me on the online classes or you follow us on YouTube, I am here to pray for you, because let me tell you, you need to put all this in God's hands. Your center, your system. I've seen a case that is every time, every year, the person had to go for, I just said the person that, you see, this thing, you need deliverance. Every time he sits for JAMB, suddenly the computer will switch off. And that's how no results. 3 times. When he was saying this, it was a seminar where everybody said, yeah, they are following you from village. And let me tell you, it happens. There are some people that evil is just, let me not just go there. Please, praying for your center, your system, your location, favor on your results. No sickness. Some people, is that day or 2 days sickness of taking them to hospital. Aye, no calamity. Some people, maybe they will just lost someone and it will just scatter their. Oh, please, you need prayers. Please, putting everything to God in prayers, and by God's grace, I am here for you. We are here. This is a Christian ministry. We are here for you for that. Okay, to pray with you. All right, so this is all you need. This is the VIP formula to use to pass. Get 300 and above. That is all. You are destined to win. Okay, and finally, from us from DTW Tutorials, please do give your life to Jesus, for He's the way, is the truth, and is the life, and He's coming very soon. Please come to Him today. All right, and don't forget, you are destined to win. Say it to yourself, I am destined to win. Even me till now, I'm still saying it, I am destined to win, because my journey also hasn't finished. So your journey too is also starting and hasn't finished. Every day proclaim it, I am destined to win. All right, see you in our next video. Bye.